How to download data from Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram application on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. In your profile, tap three-line icon in top right to open the menu. Now select Account Center at top of your screen. Scroll down, look for your information and permission option and tap on it. Now select download your information and choose download or transfer information. Now select your Instagram account and choose next button. Here you got the two option all available information or some of your informations. If you choose all available information, it may take a few days to process, so it's best to choose only specific data like likes or comments. So let me choose comments and likes and tap on the next button. Now choose either you want to download the device or transfer to destination. So let's choose download to device. Enter all your credentials, that is your email ID, and after that you need to create your files. And it may take a few minutes or hours. Once your data is ready, Instagram will notify you on your email address. You can tap download to save it to your device, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.